doing what you're doing right now is a great place to start as well, educating yourself. So there's a lot that can be done before you have that plot of land. Understanding what your project affordability is. We've had Tom McSherry talk about that quite a bit in an earlier session, understanding what your key motivators are. Why are you doing this? What do you want your project brief to look like? Doing those sketches is a really important step because it gives us an understanding of how you use a space. So that's not a wasted effort by any means. It's a really good thing to be doing, and it's something that you'll be including in your brief. Understanding the land suitability. So you'll probably find a lot of different plots of land that could be potentials for you, but understanding whether, what the restrictions might be and what the opportunities might be. Understanding your role. So you'll realize as a self-builder, you have a huge opportunity to decide how much of the project you'd like to take on versus how much you're not really interested or suited in taking on. And so are you going to be a really involved self-builder, or are you going to do more of a turnkey project? And really understanding what you don't know. So the more research you do, the more you'll understand what are the next set of questions that you need to be asking.